Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how NetSuite works. Here's a beginner-friendly overview of how NetSuite works. What is NetSuite? NetSuite is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) system. It helps businesses manage their entire operations in one platform, including accounting and financials, CRM customer relationship management, inventory and supply chain, orders and invoicing, projects and timesheets, e-commerce, HR payroll if modules are enabled. 1. Modular system. You only use the modules your business needs, for example, financials, projects, or CRM. 2. Roles and permissions. Each user is assigned a role, e.g., accountant, sales rep, administrator, which determines what they can see and do. 3. Records-based. Everything in NetSuite is stored as a record. A customer equals customer record. A bill equals vendor bill record. An employee equals employee record. A sale equals sales order record. 4. Transactions flow. Transactions follow a lifecycle. Example, sales order, item fulfillment, invoice, customer payment. 5. Real-time dashboard. Users see a customizable dashboard with KPIs, reminders, reports, and shortcuts. 6. Search and reporting. Saved searches, reports, and analytics are core to monitoring data in real time. You can filter, export, and schedule them. 7. Automations. Workflows, SuiteScripts, and scheduled processes help automate manual tasks like sending emails or approvals. 8. Cloud-based access, accessible anytime, anywhere, a web browser. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.